welcome back to another video of the AutoCAD full course 2019. And in this video we're going to learn how to use the move command right here. Now as usual, there are several ways to access this command, simply by clicking on the icon on the home palette on the ribbon, or just by going to view, then the tool palettes, and you can click on modify, and there it is, the move command. Or you can just type in it on the screen, or by selecting the object, then clicking the right button on the mouse, then it is right here. After calling the command, he's simply going to ask you to specify the base point. You can choose any base point on the object you want. I'm going to choose the center. Then you can move the object as you wish, just like that. Now that was pretty much what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you subscribe to the channel. Thank you again, and stay tuned for another video.